Okay, good morning everyone. Like always, there is no introduction in this channel. I'll go directly into specifics. First thing we have to see is SGX Nifty every day. I will get an idea of where it's going to open. Right now it's looking like it's opening up flat, and first of all it's opening at around a good all-time high, near all-time high. So let's see what happens next. It could go higher or some type of profit booking will come in. Indices wise, Dow is down, S&P 500 is down, Nasdaq is up because of IT, Nikkei is down. US markets, Corona Delta variant problems might be there, but rest everything is looking flat. It's all time high, so I'll go up slowly. Right now it's flat, so let's see what analysis we have. Right now I have some of the analysis. First thing we'll see on DMAT. I really don't like trading on DMAT because it's very almost dead and it's pricey. 3500 is not that great. If you want you can trade, but remember you can trade only in the first 10-15 minutes. After that it's almost dead. If you have the good patient patient mind, then you can trade on this. It's forming this wedge right now, so wait on the breakout. Right now it's opening flat. Okay, there's still time. One is DMAT, which I won't be trading, so I just wanted to show you this because for me it's too pricey and there's not much movement every time, because the breakout will be done in like maybe 5-10 minutes. There's no consolidation. You will just very rarely you get to trade on this, so that's it. I won't be trading. Let's see infra. It's gapping up all the time. Let's see how it goes today. The next stock will be two of the pharma stocks. Today pharma stocks are looking good, then we'll take this. See, Lupin and Cipla. Right now you can see there's a huge gap in this area from past few days. So this is the near previous support and right now resistance. If that is broken, you can take first target over here, that is almost maybe 1%, 1.5, then you can go 2%. So it's a good trade if it gives a breakout. So Lupin and Cipla both are having the same type of triangles. Cipla, the cup and handle, the handle part is somewhat like a wedge. So let's see for a breakout. If it's a good breakout, then you can go for a buy. Here the target will be here. Okay, it's almost showing 2%. If it touches 2%, then great, or else you can take target till here. That's not that great, but you can take minimum of 1% till this week. And here you can see strong consolidation as well. So after consolidation there is always movement. So we'll see Lupin and Cipla both together with cup and handle or wedge here. These two are done. Next comes Indigo. Always trade in 15-minute time frame. Like check out for patterns in 15-minute time frame, because smaller time frame it can reverse in all the time, all the small changes as well. Because yesterday I did some scalping, it was good. I thought I'll go for a good target, but it became scalping because I had to take it out halfway through. But it was 1:1 ratio. Some was 1:2. My target was around 1:5, but I got 1:2. Really understanding more when I trade daily and make losses. But right now I'm making profit in a small range because my quantity is so less that I really don't have to worry anything about it. Indigo, there's a wedge. This is somewhat like a support, so downside I don't think so, because this will be a support, so you'll get a small target, and then if it breaks, then you have to see whether it reaches this target. But on the higher side, you can see if it breaks here, there's no proper support and resistance, and 200 EMA is above, so we can take the target till 200 EMA, that's 1%, or we can go higher till here, almost 2%. Let's see on the momentum how it breaks out. Right now it's trading, but very low volume is happening. Lower the volume, then lesser the interest with the institutional banking. We'll go to the next one. What's the time? Okay, still 7 minutes left. Why do I need to not? Next one will be, there's a lot of them. We have Airtel, triangular pattern. Check for breakout. It's almost consolidated into this wedge, small wedge, so let's see how it happens. Then there is Madhusumi. Even this is a triangular pattern. Keep this together. Recently Reliance, I think I don't trade much because usually it doesn't move around 1%. When it does move 1%, you really can't catch it, like the total proper 1%. So usually I avoid trading in Reliance right now. When I see a good move, then I'll enter. We have Bharti Airtel, Madhusumi. Then we have SBIN. SBIN, I don't think it's a good trade, but let's see if it's giving a strong breakout, then we can take. Because yesterday we had to take a trade when it broke out, but this was purely sideways movement. I took the trade here, somewhere here, when it broke out the second time. But by then this wick took my stop loss because I knew something was wrong in this. So I kept a small stop loss, but that wick removed my stop loss and went little bit higher and then fell down. So no problem, I took a small loss because my stop loss was very tight. But let's see. Then we have Tata Motors. Tata Motors was for swing trade. If it's gapping up today, if it's going down today, then I'm going to buy again somewhere around 291 price for a swing trade, because that's the best price you can get right now. Tata Motors, today there's news that they are going to increase the cost of their car. So let's see. And you can see there's some type of triangular pattern, but I'm not sure. This is just to see, so forget that I told Tata Motors. Let's keep this one. Airtel and Madhusumi here. Next one will go. Next one is an IT index, not IT index, sorry. Next one is Wipro. Wipro looks like it has given a breakout here. but right now the price is inside, so we can expect it to go down, take a reversal either from here or here. There's no news or results anything coming nearby, so this will be purely movement, good movement. You can either take a trade here itself when it's going down, if it consolidates and not go up, because when until you wait till here, and then if you see a breakout, it might stop somewhere over here itself. So if you're taking a trade here after the breakout, you might not get a good target, but if you initiate a trade here, then you might get good profit as well, around 2%. But for now, let's see whether it's going up or down. Then we have just dial. I think just dial, we had some plans on taking a trade yesterday, but sadly it was still inside the triangle, so there's still just dial in my what do I say, that in my watch list. So let's see for a good breakout. Usually just dial moves around 3% every day, but recently it's consolidating in a small range, so you can take a trade. Okay, then we have levels trading. Levels trading in the sense, certain support and resistance, if they are broken, then take a trade. Usually you can trade every day with support and resistance only, no need of patterns, but with this there could be a reversal in between. So let's see, Motors, we are in crucial resistance mode. If it breaks out, then you can take a buy, because previously there was some consolidation, after that it broke. Right now it's in the same region. When it breaks out, you can take a buy call till this target, because that was some long term wedge which was forming. This line will remove. Okay, right now let's see. That is Motors. Then we have Tata Steel, like yesterday, which I took a trade yesterday, but I had to book my profit sooner. But for today, let's see. On the lower side, if it gives a breakout, then I am going to take a trade till my first target is somewhere over here, 1%. Then I'll go for this 2% target. Let's see. It's a good target on the downside, because this rally was made by, what do you call, some good news, and that usually good news is only because of news. If there is a rally, the market will fall in the next few days because of profit booking, obviously. So right now you can take a sell trade here. You can also take a buy trade, but right now buy trade I am not going to initiate, because market is looking somewhat like it's going to be in red. Nifty might touch all-time high again, but let's see what happens. We have Tata Steel, then we have Sale also the same thing. It's in crucial resistance mode, support means, sorry. So if it breaks, you can take target till 200 moving average, both 2%, or right now you can already see 21 moving average cutting that 50 moving average. That is one sell signal, one of the sell signal, but let's see. Then we have Axis Bank. Why Axis Bank? This support line, if it breaks the support line, then okay. Already it's gapped up right now, so problem was this target might reverse in the 200 moving average, so Right now this one I'm not thinking much. And if you can, if you see somewhat, you can see an inverse head and shoulders here. This is a shoulder, a big head. This is second shoulder, small shoulder, some abnormal guy. So this is one way of seeing it, and break out of an inverse head and shoulder as well. And this is my first target over here because there's 200 moving average as well. But if you see in 5-minute time frame, 200 moving average is already below. It has already gapped up. So good breakout means you can take a buy position. Take this target first, then in next few days it might reach this level as well. Swing trade, if you are good in swing trading, then take a swing trade as well. Let's see. For now let's not take it so high. We'll take 1% and then we have IndusInd Bank. Did the market start? No, there's still 4 minutes left. Why IndusInd Bank? IndusInd Bank is just to see. This is moving in this range for a long time, so I just want to wait for this to go outside the range, because inside the range I don't think I can take it, but I will try for reversal somewhere over here or when it reaches here. See, at this point when it touched here, it just reversed and fell down till here. That's a good target, around 1.8%. Here it tried to gap up but fell halfway. That's one more, and have drawn a line here also, because in between there's one more level. And if you try to use this one, go to this short long position, that part, fixed range volume, and find where there's more activity of volume. At this level there is more activity, like more buy and sell orders usually happening. So this is one crucial level as well. Usually market, usually if you even see where did that go, market is almost choppy in that region as well. So they are booking profit or taking long positions also, maybe. So this is just for seeing. Then we have Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank yesterday it gave a breakout, almost touched our target in the first candle itself. So like always, this is some freaky trade, so I didn't take it. I didn't take any calls, but right now it's somewhere in this support level. If it breaks, then I'm taking short position. So this will act like a good retest as well. So this 200 moving average is nearby. If it breaks that, then we can take a trade. See, this range was built, should be a little bit higher as well. Let's see, it's a range still here, so I have to take a trade only if the closing is below 200 moving average, and it's already gapping up, so I don't know. Let's see what happens. I'll try it reversal. Then we have emphasis. We are coming to our end. We have last 1 minute. Emphasis gapping up. If it breaks previous day's high, then take a buy call. Target somewhere here. Reduce your stop loss. Then that's it. Then we have the last one, Torrent Power. Torrent Power can either reverse from here, or it can either break out. For now, I think yesterday it had a good move yesterday. It had a breakout then failed breakout, it touched till here and then went back in. Okay, this was the last one for today, so let's see what happens. There's so many to see. Whichever breakout you see first, try to enter. I usually like to keep a lot of stocks so that I have opportunity to enter if I miss one, or else I will do something stupid in between. Okay, this one is red. Most of the candles, I think they are going to be in red. So on a higher side, I don't think we can take a buy call, but right now, if you see if it breaks this one, you can take a sell call as well. That's why there's a wedge here. You can take a target till here also, but let's see. Sorry. A small earthquake had occurred, that's why. Okay, we still have time here in Cipla and looping. Yeah, remember I had taken a trade at looping for reversal. I had exited somewhere over here because here VWAP was there and it couldn't break out of that VWAP. I think I have to take a trade on looping because it's already broken out and the closing is above. So long position, stop loss is very large, but let's see. I thought I'll put my entry in this, but I'm really scared because I don't like people to judge me because of my quantity. It's not really that great. This is just for learning purposes. That's why I put low quantity and lose less. I don't want huge profit like in lakhs. So let's see for this 5-minute candle to open and close. And we have looping, then we have Cipla. What happened to Cipla? Cipla is still inside. There's no breakout. Let's see that. Then we have Indigo, which broke out downside, but like I said, you can't really take it trade right now because it's in a crucial support. This is support here, so it could reverse some time. Okay, that's a huge red candle, really huge red candle, very high volume, and as you can see it's getting rejection as well. This one you can take a trade, but it's almost fallen by 1%. Risk to reward ratio wise, it's really bad, so I'll be ignoring that for a while. Even Bharti Airtel gapped up and then it's falling down, so let's see. Most of them are falling down after a gap up. This one is still inside. And we have Torrent Power. Gapped up and now falling down, so I don't think this loop-in also will be a good trade to take a buy position. Let's see. Is there any shorting position which I can take? This one still not given a short breakout, so it could reverse here somewhere over here. Let's see in 5-minute time frame. If the next candle is green, then we can go long and loop in as well. there is any reversal candle like doji or something forming, then I'll take a reversal, because this one is a crucial support right now. Then we have Bharti Airtel, which capped up and still going inside. We'll wait for the breakout. You could take a reversal in this 200 moving average, or just go sideways. Could do anything. For now, even Wipro is showing some signs of bullishness after some profit booking. I think I'll take a trade in Wipro because I'm having a small stop loss right now, so I really don't have to worry much. See, it's forming a doji. This is expectation trading, so don't trade. First of all, it already gave a breakout, so once it gave a breakout, then right now my stop loss is very small. And there's no really good sign of going bullish. Okay, I don't want to do expectation trading and lose money in live stream, so let's see. I made that mistake a long time back. Not long time back, a lot of times. Looks like there's a breakout here. I don't know why it broke out with huge volume as well. Things like this, when it goes, you are getting tempted to enter, but I have seen this lot of times. It has gone around 4%, 10%, could go like however high it can, but whenever you feel like entering and when you enter, it will just take a reversal. Imagine the price is here, take a trade here, and feel like okay, it'll go higher. Imagine 806 you bought, now it's not that great, but it'll start coming down, then you'll feel. And right now there's a volume is much higher than the first candle also. There's some rejection. I'll find some reversal points, and as you can see, there's one level over here. So let's see whether it's going to reverse in this range. And okay, we have Indigo. Remember, I didn't take any trade, I'm just waiting for confirmation. I don't want to do stupid things. Indigo, it formed a doji, and look at the volume, it clearly tells it's going to reverse. It's not letting it go down. There's huge order getting placed, so we can take a stop loss, small stop loss here. See, if you wait for confirmation, then you'll get a larger stop loss all the time. So just goes. I didn't even place my order, it just went. So that's why I usually take, when there is some reversal, enter fast. And this is gone. Thing in this is it could reverse in this point again. Like when it's going down, it's going for a retest and then it might go down again. Who knows? I couldn't enter in that because the price already went so up. My stop loss will be much big. It's almost 1% already. What will I do? Okay, Bharat Forge is looking like it's going to reverse somewhere. Lupin gave a good breakout, then a retest. So let's see. Cipla, not yet broken out. Wipro gave a breakout. Now it's almost hitting my stop loss. Just still inside. Maybe at 11 it might have a movement. Torrent Power took a rejection. Like there's no consolidation, so you couldn't have entered anywhere. So just leave it. Don't feel bad. Then I don't miss on this Tata Steels. Shit, I think I missed it. Yeah, I missed the entry. Gave a doji. Right now, if I enter here, stop loss will be here. We have sale. Sale, let it give a closing below, then we can see. Okay, today is not a good day to enter Bharat, like shorting Bharat Forge. Looks like it might go up to 5% also. Bharti Airtel also fell down after a gap up. And today there's earnings. Why is there earnings many times? Recently they showed their earnings. Let's see. We can take a reversal at this point. If the earnings is released after that, then it's Chingalala for everyone. But right now, even with less volume, it's just falling down. So no consolidation for you to put a stop loss right now. We have to put a long, follow your plan. Imagine you have entered in the first 5 minutes. Right now this is third candle for the 15-minute time frame. If the body is below this line, then don't take a trade. Let me wait for this closing. Stop loss is less, but no problem. Why do I miss it all the time? But right now it's too highly priced. What the hell? What is this? Imagine stop loss is such big because the candle just ran away. Wait for this candle to close. Let's see what happens. Who knows, you might get a better place. And it's already closing above the 15-minute candle also. So that's one sign it's going bullish today. Even with less volume, even with more volume, it got a good rejection. So wait for some time, you can go bullish itself in this one. But this one risk to reward ratio is bad. Yes, it's going down now. Imagine if you had entered somewhere thinking you might never catch it. Let's see, even if I place my order right now, it will get placed higher itself. Imagine Indigo also missed that entry. I had to take that trade fast but when I was trying to place my orders, I missed it. Easy 1%, just like that. Looks like Bharat Forge is going to go around 5-10%. For some reason, I don't know. Never take a trade like this. I took a trade and I have taken losses simply. You clearly don't have any plan in that. Just it's just going. Pro, not yet. Looks like a small breakout. This is 15-minute candle. This is really choppy. It's taking rejection in the 200 moving average, so wait. Okay, good. Tata Steel. Looks like it's going sideways. It's like sometimes when not entering, they have their own perks. To take this one. There could be some more consolidation, so let's see. It's going sideways. This one almost hit our target. This line is a target, so if you had entered here, this is one easy 1%. If you had entered early, then it would have been great, but right now I regret not entering. I'll do something stupid later on. Let's see. Yeah, Bharat Airtel took a huge rejection here. I think the 200 moving average is good for stop loss, long position. Even the results are going to come out, so we might get a good move. For now, let's find one. Okay, try R2, minimum of 2. This is a clear cut buy, but my stop loss, I think I'll reduce it. think today my execution is not that great. I'll regret it. This is your second chance of shorting it again. Let's see. It has not gone above or below the 15-minute candle, so it might go sideways. So right now this thing, you can ignore this line. It's not a triangle anymore. It's forming a rectangle. It's a triangle itself, but a different type of triangle, a descending triangle. It's going all over the place. Okay, why do I miss it? Missing a lot of opportunities. And I'll maybe take this trade and literally this might break. See, literally I'm holding each and every order in my hand. I just have to swipe, but I'm not finding any. Okay, this one luckily. What's happening? Still one more 5-minute candle, so I'm not entering this because there's a huge rejection here. I'll wait for a few more times. Let me take a trade somewhere here if it closes above that. Until then, let's see some other chance. Looks like loop in is gone and away. Imagine we were here thinking of buying it. We never did anything. I hate my life. Why is this happening? Whenever I don't place a trade, things happen. Okay, in the end I have taken a trade here, placed at 565.5, somewhere here. Stop loss around 563.85. This is good enough. If it comes lower than that, then it's a really bad trade then. Let's see. This one I still want to go long, but now we can only do is take the VWAP as support or stop loss. I place this order as well. For target, I'm using pivot points S3. Okay, loop in, I had to put a order, but I didn't. It's already late to enter. What was my target? So it's almost outside R3. This one is gone. We had to place it here. We would have reached our target by then. Things like this happen. I have to be fast in intraday. Looks like Bharti Airtel is still playing with us. The one which we take the trade is not really a good trade. Close is below VWAP, below 200 moving average, below the line. What else do you need? Problem is you are getting a rejection right now. Wait. Okay, I took a trade in Tata Steel as well. Looks like it's going to hit our stop loss. Like, what bullshit is going on? Should I reduce or increase my stop loss? No, let it hit the stop loss. I have a tight stop loss in Tata. Okay, looks like reversal if it breaks through this. Let's see for the closing. We still have 4 minutes left. This is for lost cause. Right now it's almost moved a lot. But looks like we have Sipla. Okay, Bharti Airtel almost hitting our stop loss. Daily limit is 2 stop loss for me. If it hits both the stop loss, then I am leaving it. No more trades. Okay, Wipro I have not taken the trade. something I'll take from Wipro. Okay, Tata Steel is moving in our direction. Gave a consolidation as well, so looks good. It could come down and form a double top of some sort, but for now let's keep it as it is. Then we have our theater, which is playing around. We are in loss. Let's see if there is some results coming out, then we might hit our jackpot in this. Okay, let's see what's the situation of other stocks which I have selected today. Torrent Power went according to what I said. Right now 200 moving average is the target, but thing is there's no entry signal. Like you couldn't have entered all of a sudden in this 5-minute candle at 12. The stop loss will be somewhere here and entry will be somewhere here. Then risk to reward is bad. It will go according to that, but you couldn't have entered. Then we have Eicher Motors, all levels 1. Looks like Eicher Motors on a smaller time frame made a double top here and here also. It took a reversal and it's now coming down. If the 50 moving average is not going to break, then it might take a reversal and go sideways here. So for now just keep an eye on it. Let's see. It's not going below the 50 moving average, so it might not go down, it might go sideways. Then we had sale. Sale also gave a breakout. Right now there's not much movement going on. This is book order, like just not placing an order with money, but just to check whether it works. One is to 2.9. Then we have Axis Bank. Okay, good thing. Axis Bank is still going sideways, hasn't given a breakout. INDSIND Bank, SBI, and also we forgot to see. This gave a breakout, went in, hit our stop loss and went back. This is looking very choppy, so I won't take a trade in State Bank of India. Okay, INDSIND Bank is still in that range. Let's see. if we can find a reversal in this point. Right now we can take a reversal at this point itself. It has happened many times in this level. So let's see, it can move in that range for a long time, so let's not do that. Bandhan Bank, it gapped up, fell down. It had to break the 200 moving average for entry, but right now it's taking a reverse, so no trade. Then Emphasis, and I think we fucked it up here by not watching Emphasis. No problem, because there was no good entry point as well. Like no, what do you call it? No consolidation or any type of thing to keep a stop loss. We couldn't have known that it will go up like this. Almost went 2.9%. No problem. Things like this happen all the time. Tata Steel is still there. Airtel is still there. The only trade which we don't take moves very nicely. The trade which we take never moves. Looks like it's going side. Good thing we didn't enter here, because this pullback, that rejection made me think it won't go out. For now I have taken Tata Steel and Bharti Airtel, which is not looking good. So for today I think this is it. But Bharat Forge, I think I'll take small quantity for a reversal. So hope that works. Thing about this is the stop loss is much bigger. Let's see Cipla. Cipla gave a small slow breakout. As you can see, Lupin has gone flying out. Sadly, it has almost reached our target as well. And it's going slow also. And either you can book your profit now or wait for a few more percentage. There will be a pullback. Hope it's a good pullback. then we can enter again for a long position. But for today it's almost 1.5% up, so it won't be more, and we might have to do scalping. Looks like Bharti Airtel has taken our stop loss and fucked with us. Yes. How sad. It just hit our stop loss and it went back up. What can you do about it? Nothing. Ignore. Looks like even Tata Steel is not looking great. So for today my one stop loss was hit and this is my second stop loss. I think I'll keep this one. Tata Steel. Let's hope this stop loss will not get hit or it increase the stop loss, because there's a chance of creating a double top. Okay. I'll take a trade in Bharat Forge also. Let's hope this is not a pullback from a rally. Okay, Tata Steel, good thing we moved our stop loss. Going places. Found some rejection. This might be a slow grind towards our target, so might take a while. But if it is not moving too much after 1 hour or 45 minutes, we took a trade at 9:40. By 10:40, if it's not moving much, then exit the trade. It's bad. It's in the same range as before. It might just go sideways, or it's a bad trade. For now, shitty app. placed my order somewhere here. I'll look at it. Still in profit. Point. It's 07.65. Let's see. Bharat Forge, usually these things happen, that's why I have taken a trade. I can take that trade till the 50 MOA average, or I can trail the stop loss, and this could be a good target as well. Okay, Tata Steel, Bharat Forge. Only stop loss which was hit was looks like loop in also is looking good. Only thing was we couldn't enter. I couldn't enter because I was too slow. Next time I have to think faster, make a better decision, learn, learn from my mistakes. Even here, this was a breakout. I have to enter right now, but right now, two trades are enough for me. So let's see. If you want, you can take a trade in Wipro also. I don't see any good. Okay, stop loss you can keep 594. Buy at 9. R2R is really bad, but if you are willing to scalp it, then it's fine. Yeah, it's bad. Ratio wise, it's bad. Yes, more higher than this, I am not sure where it's going to go. It can just go sideways. So let's leave that. Okay, Lupin was a good trade, but we didn't take that. And looks like we got a breakout in Cipla as well. Where's the shit which hit our stop loss? Let's see what is happening here. My stop loss would have been here maximum, not more than that. Even that would have been hit. So right now it's doing something shitty. Now it will move up, guaranteed. It has hit my stop loss, then it's surely going to move up in my direction. Until the stop loss is hit, it's not really satisfied with me. But looks like Bharat Forge and Tata Steel is right now in good position. Let's see. Tata Steel, I will be trailing my position full day. Should I enter Cipla right now? I think only two trades are better. Oh shit. Okay, sorry. I thought it didn't get placed itself. It has been placed. I think I'll take a trade in Cipla. Looking good. Very less quantity. There's some event in Cipla. What is it? Earnings, okay. Hope the results are not that bad. Where will I keep my stop loss? I have to keep it here. now I'll keep it here. Target R3. Okay, let's wait for this candle to close. Okay, I'm going to reduce the stop loss and enter. And 23.8. Okay, even this order has been placed, very small quantity. So for now 3 trades have been taken, all looking good. Only one Bharti Airtel hit our stop loss and went back up. I couldn't have done much